The crowds are gathering. They want their lunch. They look hungry. They're ready. I hope these guys are ready.
It's taking quite a while to cook.
Jane's struggling to get her sopes cooked on the charcoal comal.
It's taken me well over half an hour. I thought it was going to be a 10-15 minute job, so it has put me back a bit.
While Juanita's also behind, frying off her mushroom molotes.
So that one is good. Pull it out. You see how it's even everywhere?
Okay, that's what we're looking for.
Yeah.
Getting there. Just got to do a few more of these and then we're done. It's been a tough last push.
Once these are done, I've got enough. I've done.
Push. Thank you.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah. Let's get these off.
Keep going, my love. Nearly there.
Yeah.
Okay, bring them in. Hola.
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 What would you like?
Hola. Do you want tacos or soppers?
One for you, I know. There we go. Thank you.
Jack and Juanita's spicy mushroom molotes, served with a fiery red salsa and cottage cheese, are an instant hit with the locals.
Tumaletti. One tostada coming.
Their second dish is crunchy tostadas, topped with a cactus and black bean salad.
There we go. Enjoy.
Tostada, it was really nice. It has like the perfect spice, so it's really good.
Molote.
Molotes was a little spicy, like perfect.
Muy exquisito, sin sal, sin nada, muy bueno.
It's the first time they do this kind of food, so I think it's an excellent job. Yeah.
Oh, that is actually delicious. That is really fresh and clean with a big smack of onion.
A little bit of chilli at the end, lots and lots of coriander. Flavours that I know, but in a combination that I've never had before.
On the other stall, Billy is struggling to keep up with demand for his potato tacos dorados, served with a tomatillo salad.
Hey, where's my taco?
Hang on.
I want my taco.
I'll try and go as quick as I can. Hopefully they taste okay. It's good.
Jane's sopes, topped with chorizo and potato, need to be heated to order.
May I have one, please? Yes, of course.
They're served with a salsa verde and sprinkled with canasto cheese.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
La masa está muy rica, está muy bien hecha, pero pues también sabe muy rico.
Está muy bueno.
Oh, really nice. Really nice. A really nice job.
There we go.
I got tacos de papa. They taste good. They're real good. The salad is perfect for me.
Muy bien.
It looks good, and it's just better. Really good.
I love the way they've done this tortilla. It's really nice. It's really filling. It's softer in the middle and crunchier on the outside. Very skillful.
It looks really innocent, but it's really, really complex. And nothing like I've eaten before.